This is a brain train challenge game sample. Um, it's straightforward. You press the key to see play a game. If you've already won a game before, it gives you a medal. And the odd one out in this challenge will show you a number of words, all except one of them have something in common. Select the word which is the odd one out. If you're not sure of the answer, click pass. That's pretty good. I didn't click pass in any of them. It's a pretty straightforward questionnaire. If you like this game, you can download it from Microsoft Store for free. And it's free. It keeps it entertaining. It's a little bit like Jeopardy. It gives you words that you can use. Take the odd one out. These are 3 months and one season. Is the season is the odd one out. This one I got wrong, and I don't know why. Because I only know Tom Hanks and Bruce Springsteen, and Beyonce was the only female. I got it wrong anyway. And linguine, tapolini, pizza, and pan. I didn't know which one was this. This one I knew it was calm because angry, mad, and fuming are all related, so I got it right. So there it ends that, and it scores you. It's a time game, and it gives you a piggy bank for each game that you win and what your score is, and then you can continue from there. That's my third medal, and then you can replay a game if you like, or just click on the key to play the game. Enjoy this, have fun, and give your brain a challenge. Amen.